For this video, I'm just going to show you how to change a brake light. Same light bulb as a tail light in an R51 Pathfinder. So, I've got my key turned on, I got my lights turned on, I got this thing, whatever you got, it's a torque wrench pushing the brake pedal. Come back here. I have a brake light that works, and I have one that doesn't, and I need it to work. So I'm going to get a bulb, show you how to get into it, we'll get this done. If this helps you, my teenagers tell me if I say, hey, if you like this and subscribe, Dad could buy a coffee someday, and I like coffee, so hit the stupid button. Probably can do this job, though. That's the point of the video. Give it a try. Here we go. This is the tail light bulb that's out, so we need to open the hatch, figure out how to get at it. Right here, there's going to be two 10mm bolts to remove. We'll do that. Ideally, you want to do this somewhere good and cold in the wintertime so you can break stuff, but you should be able just to come back in here and give it a quick little pull. And there's these, yep, two little tabs right there. 1, 2 at the bottom that line up with these holes. That's all there is to it. Then we just want to get this bulb out. So it's just a turn and remove. Yeah, and one filament in there I'd say is bad. So we're going to change the bulb. It's just a spare tail lamp I have for another car, but the bulb's the same. You just grab, wiggle, very gently pull, out it comes to put it in. Line it up. And it goes. Some people say you should have a rag so you just don't touch those. You probably should. Anyway, the new one's in right here. So you reinstall like this. In, twist lock, you're good to go. Line this tab and this tab up with these holes. Reinstall. Take those two bolts that you took out. Put them back in. If you read it in a manual, it would say assembly is the reverse of disassembly, meaning everything you just did, do it backwards. And that should pretty well do it. So we're going to turn the key forward, jam something against the brake pedal, and see if we got brake lights. Here we are, back at the Pathfinder having a look. We're going to jam a stick in by the pedal. I don't have a stick, but I do have a torque wrench. In we go. Brake lights, both sides. It's that simple. You can probably do it, or not. I don't know. Give it a shot. If this helped, hit the things and the likes and the subscribe. I don't care. I just hope it helped you out. Have a good night.